You may wonder why you should purchase a sharp display. Here in the background you can see the latest generation of our message series, the second generation of M series, and this is connecting to the history of what we provided in the past under the NEC brand. It still has a metal cabinet, which is great for its robustness, which is great for recyclability, because metal can be recycled after the product is end of life. And also what we here want to show is the computing technology. If you want to go for a simple media playback device, which is showing a web browser or simple video, for this you could use a Raspberry Pi, which you fully own, where the operating system is fully controlled by you. Alternatively, an Intel smart display module called SDM module, and can be configured with different RAM, different SSD, but also it can come with different operating systems like Windows, Windows Professional, Windows IoT, or Google Chrome OS. Google Chrome OS Flex is now available to digital signage customers. You can also use that in combination with interface technologies for AV over IP. We here have an example from our partner Matrox, which has developed a new AV over IP endpoint based on IPMX AV over IP solution. And yeah, with this one, the display acts like an endpoint for your AV over IP network to provide the best video streams over IP. That's the flexibility, and we want to make sure that the display is able to be used for a very, very long time in your environment. And yeah, we do all the best to enable that.